So today we will be seeing the V-Class Marco Polo. It is a beautiful car normally used for camping, as we can see. So the basics are like the normal V-Class. It has got a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine and it's a BS6 engine that we can see. And as we can see, the front 2 seats can be rotated inside the car. So when you're camping, you turn around the seats, you can sit and relax and have a chat with your friends. It's basically a 5-seater car. So as we can see here, this car's got 5 seats, and this can be turned into a bed for 3. This is a bed that we can get. The bed is 6 feet long and it looks beautiful. Just to get a perspective, we'll moving little behind and we can get a full idea of the space inside the vehicle. It's got curtains all around. It's got sliding doors on the side, and as we saw from outside, the entire top can be raised. So just going up on the top, you can see it's a huge amount of space inside the cabin. At the same time, it gets a sunroof on top, as well as it gets ventilation on both the sides of the vehicle. You can also see the top from outside the vehicle. This is how it looks, and you have an extendable side that we can see in case you want to put some chairs outside, have a camping side. You get the support on both the corners, and you have the extended roof. This is not all the way extended, it's only halfway extended. As you can see, the joint, this can come all the way to the corner, so we can have a much bigger space. It can be extended to a much longer than what it is currently. And I mean, it's the perfect camping car. You've got curtains on all sides, you've got good amount of ventilation, you can sleep 5, travel with 5 people. It's just amazing. Just to get an idea from all the sides. Here we can see this is split tailgate, so only the glass can also be opened just for the ventilation purpose, and we can close the entire glass and open the vehicle. Here we can see how the entire vehicle is opened up. You got a good amount of boot space also. And there's lots of space beneath the seats as well to store luggage. The car also comes with the Easy Pack tailgate. All you have to do is just click on this button right here. You click it once and the Easy Pack tailgate goes down. Again, you can open up the hatch for your ventilation. The car also gets some more storage space that we can see. So I'll show that to you as well. It's got some hatches down here. Just click on it and open. It's got hatches on both the sides. The car comes with the 8-inch screen and the 8-speaker Mercedes-Benz system. And as we can see, the car comes with the buttons on both the sides to close the doors. So we have just one click here and we can shut the doors. So here we can see the door shutting, and the doors also have curtains, as I told you. The car also comes with 17-inch alloy wheels. So this is the Marco Polo. This is the Horizon variant. We also have one more variant in the Marco Polo, which is a 4-seater and can sleep 4. But what happens is you don't have a door on that side of the cabin, and instead you have a cabinet, you have a fridge, you have a wash basin, and you have a cooking stove right there, and also you have a cupboard at the back, and you have an outsource to have an outdoor shower. So that's even more in terms of your camping. You can do everything inside the car, but obviously it limits you to having 4 people inside the cabin. So this is the V-Class Marco Polo, as we saw, and perfect camping car, probably one of the first camping cars that has officially been launched in India. Thank you.